It's time for another team time. This week, the children will be completing pages 3 and 4 of their activity book. Also, make a note in your teacher's book to hand out the Pathway to Hope books during this time so you won't forget.
Everyone grab out your team time books and say team time!
Team time!
Good. Let's have a look at what's in our activities for today. Can anyone tell me what page number it's on? 3 and 4. So on page 3, you have your hand actions. So in team time, your leaders are going to ask you to do the actions again. See if you remember the actions for the good news. The ones that start with Jesus is good. And at the bottom, we have the pictures for it. So you need to cover up the words then and just look at the pictures and test yourself and the people in your team time group to see if you can remember those words. And our memory verse for today is in the middle, John 3:16. Good. Now over the page on page 4, in the Bible at the top, our pictures are mixed up in the wrong order. So without cheating and going back if you can, see if you can put those pictures in the right order by drawing them in the circles down here. And then, as a team, pray together. Okay, once you've prayed together as a team time, you can do our craft. Now, our craft today is in the middle of your book. Okay, the kids will have already cut out this part here for later. So this part here in your book, so you need to cut out this strip. It's got all those pictures on it in order. Jesus is God, and it has the special words on the back. And what we're going to do with this strip is we are going to make it into some sort of wristband or ankle band. Okay? So you're going to get some pieces of paper, at the back some coloured paper, and you might glue it down, but before you glue it down you need to rewrite these words on the piece of paper so we don't hide those words. Okay, and then you can wrap it round on that coloured piece of paper around your wrist, and you might decorate it to make it nice and pretty for you, or nice and manly for you. Okay, and that's what we're taking home today. Now if we're taking something home, do I want it to just sit in your bedroom? No, what do you need to do with it? You need to talk to a friend using it. Use it to talk with a friend, and remember you need to use one of those random objects in the world to talk to a friend as well, like we did today with our scavenger hunt. Okay? Now what else do you need to give to somebody this week? There's a gospel pathway book. Someone's remembering Pathway to Hope. So everyone's going to take home a Pathway to Hope today. And this is week number 3 of our Pathway to Hope. So the third person in the back of your activity book, that's who you're giving it to this week. And that's who your team can pray for. Is that okay, kids? All right, go to team time.